Welcome to today's video. Have you noticed the surge in animated content on YouTube lately? Well, you're not alone. Animations have become an essential element for many channels, adding flair and engagement to their content. In this tutorial, I'm thrilled to show you how to create amazing animations effortlessly. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. First off, you need to find the perfect characters. So let's start by finding the star of our animation, the character. We'll turn to Lexica Art for this task. No need to sign up, just type anime boy character in the search bar, and there you go. A multitude of options awaits you. Take your time to choose the one that resonates with you the most. Next up, it's time to create the ideal background. This is part of setting up the scene. A captivating background can elevate your animation to new heights. Head over to Anime Studio and find a background bursting with vibrant colors. Remember, the goal is to grab your audience's attention from the start. Once you've found the perfect background, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to remove backgrounds. Easily. To seamlessly integrate our character into the scene, we need to remove any distracting backgrounds. Luckily, we have access to a handy background removal tool. Simply upload your image to the website after a quick registration and watch as the background disappears like magic. Once done, download the image to your computer for further editing. Now, it's important to refine with image editing. We'll add those extra touches to make our animation shine. Fire up Photoshop and import your character and background. Let your creativity flow as you add details like a table, computer screen, microphone, and more. Then, it's time to bring it all together with CapCut. With our images edited to perfection, it's time to bring our animation to life. CapCut is our tool of choice for this task, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. Drag your edited images into the timeline and let the magic happen. Add a touch of flair with effects from the extensive library to enhance the visual appeal. And finally, we add the final touches and export. As we approach the finish line, it's time to add the finishing touches. Remove any lingering backgrounds using the chroma key feature, ensuring a seamless integration of our animated elements. Position the animated mouths onto our character for that touch of realism. Feel free to experiment with additional effects for added impact. Once satisfied, hit export, and there you go. Your animation is ready to dazzle the world. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to creating captivating animations for your YouTube channel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and insightful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and click that subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't miss out on anything. Until next time, for even more value.